Hi! I am gonna show you how I got 2,000 subscribers in less than 2 months as a small creator. I am gonna share some important tips that can grow your channel. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you are a small creator. So let's get started. This is the reason why most people starting a YouTube channel quit. You see, most people who upload their first video will see a similar result like this. This doesn't mean your videos or shorts are bad. It's just that YouTube showed your content to wrong audience. It will take some time for YouTube to find your right audience, so you will have to keep uploading to see good results. Being consistent is one of the most important steps if you are starting a channel. You don't have to upload daily. 1 or 2 uploads a week should be fine. In each video you make, you have to figure out what's wrong with the previous video and improve it in the next video. For example, if a video has a bad sound effects, make it better next time. Or make minor improvements in intros, smoother cuts, and steps. Also believe in yourself that you can do it. Yes, you heard it right. Do not waste your time. Making and editing videos take a good amount of time. Instead of saying I don't have time, just look at your screen time a day. Make your own idea or inspire from any content you like, but just don't copy them. Make it on your own way, your own concept. Also, the last tip is very important, so make sure to watch till the end. For video creation, you don't need any high-end PCs or computers. You can even use a low-end smartphone. Even recording in 720p or 1080p is fine. Just make sure so the image doesn't look laggy or blurry. Also make sure to use a good editing software. For PC users, I would highly suggest CapCut for beginner-friendly, or DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro for advanced editing. When you start a channel, don't just post random mixed videos. Instead, make videos or shorts related to 1 or 2 specific categories. For example, I mainly make Roblox emotional shorts, since that's what most of my audience are watching and liking. But if I suddenly upload a random game video, it will fail, since it's going to show it to the wrong audience. So make sure to pick your niche and upload videos related to that. Retention matters a lot in YouTube shorts and videos. Retention is a data that shows YouTube how much viewers watched the video. Did they skip the video? Or did they fully watched it? YouTube algorithm loves videos with high retention, so it will push the video to more people. Also, stay to watch and swiped away ratio also matters in shorts. It is a percentage bar showing how much people actually stayed to watch the video and how much swiped away. I usually get some decent percentage in this data. So you have to make content that make people watch at least half of the video and good starting hook to prevent people from scrolling away. I will give you some more additional tips that can make your video or short viral. First is adding questions related to the video at the end. This can get you more comments, which results in more engagement. Second is replying to the first few comments, because if reply to a comment and if they reply back, that can also boost engagement. Third is starting your channel with shorts first, because shorts get more views. But long form require people to click your video, which most people don't, since there are other videos better than that. Then combine both. Use shorts for fame and long forms for loyal fans. Now let's talk about how I got 2,000 subscribers in just under 2 months. Also, thank you so much for watching this far. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. I usually get to 100 to 400 subs per shorts. So basically, if you want more subs, you need to make content that makes people think that they want more from you. For example, my emotional shorts is doing very well because I think my stories are making people feel something. Now let's see some of the mistakes to avoid. So the first mistake to avoid is not making the hook or the first few seconds of your video stronger. Because if the hook isn't stronger, most people would just skip it. Second mistake you should avoid is giving up if an upload is underperforming. If one video fails, don't just give up. Instead, understand the mistakes of that video and fix those mistakes in the next video. Also, make sure you don't forget the first 5 steps, which are the most important when starting a new channel. So thank you so much for watching this far, and I hope I provided you enough info. Make sure to leave your opinion in the comment. Wish you guys all the best. Bye.